class 4 chapter 6 with statement sums. Next exercise of HCF. Here page number 81. Example given: find the greatest number that will divide 24 and 36 without leaving a remainder. Find the greatest number. Here ask for greatest number. If any there where is called for greatest number, larger number, bigger number. Okay, so there you do HCF. Okay, if there asks for least number, smallest number, minimum number, so there is you do LCM, which I explained you later. But if there anywhere given asks for greatest, maximum, bigger, so there is you do HCF. Okay, so greatest number that will divide 24 and 36 is the HCF of 24 and 36. Now then after, if you found the HCF as 12, okay, so without leaving a remainder, so hence 12 is the greatest number that will divide 24 and 36 without leaving a remainder, because this is the HCF, and that is 2, 2 and 3. These whole are factors which can exactly divide to 24 and 36 both, okay, without leaving any remainder. But that divides 61, 33 and 75, leaving 5 as a remainder. Now leaving 5, there is remainder 0 now, but here leaving 5. Okay, so first subtract this number 5 with each number. By each number you subtract 5. Okay, 61 minus 5, 56, 33 minus 5, 28, then after 75 minus 5 you have 70. Now new number, these new numbers HCF you do here 56, 28 and 70, and the HCF is 14. That is the greatest number. You can divide 61, 33 and 75, leaving 5 as a remainder. Okay, so if you divide by 14 to this number 61, 33 and 75, you have remainder as a 5. Just check one number. Okay, 14 5 ja 70. If 14 5 ja 70, then 70 if you subtract from 75 you have 5 remaining. Okay, so remainder 5 you got if you divide by 14 to 75. So this is correct. Now exercise 6F. Find the HCF of 35, 40, 55 without leaving any remainder. Now find the greatest number that divide 33, 44, 55 without leaving any remainder. These both is same formation. Okay, so do HCF of 35, 40 and 55, and here also do the HCF of 33, 44 and 55. Okay, find HCF of 35, 40 and 55. Question number 1, without leaving any remainder. So just make the factorization of each number separately in this way. See the format clearly. Okay, now 35, here 35 given, just check, because this is the odd number, so just check it by dividing by 3. Okay, so 3 doesn't exactly divide to 35, so move to another number, because here ones place is 5, so divide by 5 and you got 7 as a quotient. Then after 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now stop factorization. Now move here, divide it by 2 and you got 20 as a quotient. Then after again by 2 you got 10 as a quotient. Then after again by 2 you got 5 as a quotient. Then after at last 5 1 ja 5, and then stop. Now here 5 at one's place, and there is divide by 5 and you got 1, 11 as a quotient. Then after 11 is prime number, so divide by 11, you got 1 at last. Now write the factors: 5 into 7, 40, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, then 55 is equal to 5 into 11. Just check whichever number is taken as a HCF. Common factors are 5. So here the common factors are 5. So HCF is equal to 5. Okay. Now question number 3 and second is also do in this way which I explain you as one. So you have to do and try. Question number 2 is respecting in the process of question number 1. Okay, HCF ही आपको करना है इसका 33, 44, 55 का HCF निकालेंगे and that the HCF is the greatest number. Okay, find the greatest number that divide 97 and 107 leaving 7 as a remainder. Now find the greatest number that divide 97 and 107. So here asking for the greatest number, third greatest number that divides 97 and 107, leaving what? Leaving something as 7 remainder. Okay, so what we do here as example number 2, I explained you already that we have to subtract 7 from each number. So first subtract 97 is the solution. 97 minus 7, and here then after you got 90, then 107 minus 7 you got 100. Okay, 90 and 100. So make the HCF of 90 and 100 here. Just make 90 and here 100. Now 2 4 ja 8 and 2 5 ja 10. Then 3 can exactly divide to 45 by 15 times. Now 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. Here 250 and 25, then 5, then at last 1. Now make the factors 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, 100, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. See the common factors 2, okay, and 5, 1. Okay, so HCF is equal to 2 into 5, 10. 10 is the answer that can exactly not, but if divide to 97 and 107, leaving remainder 7. Okay, just divide 97 by 10, you got 10 9 ja 90, and 90 if we subtract from 97 you got 7 as a remainder. So it's correct. This number that divide 27, 38, 44, leaving remainder 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Here respectively given, it means 2 from 27 minus 2, okay, you got 25. Then after minus 3 from 38 you got 35. Okay, then after minus 4 from 44 you got 40. Okay, now make the HCF of these three number. Okay, that is the answer. Now come on, least common multiple. That is the full form of LCM, least common multiple of two or more number is the smallest number which is a multiple of each of the number. So two or more numbers, दो या दो से अधिक जो नंबर होते हैं, that is the smallest number which I already explained you as the smallest, minimum, arcs. Then you do LCM which is a multiple of each number. तो वो होते हैं जो multiples होते हैं वो हमें मिलते हैं least number में. HCF में हमें factors मिलते थे, but LCM में हमें multiples हम find out करेंगे. Multiples of 12 such as 12, 24, 36, 48. How we got? Multiplying by 1, then after 2, multiplying by 3, multiplying by 4. In 12 you got the multiples, so on. Okay, common multiples of 12 and 18 are just like C, 36 here also, and 36 is multiple of 18 also. So these number, that is 36, 72 are common multiples, and so on also. We find that 36 is the lowest or the least common multiple of 12 and 18, or 36 is the lowest number divisible by both 12 and 18. But if they ask for the lowest number for the least that is the least common multiple. The lowest number which is the multiple of that number, this is the LCM. So LCM of 12 and 18 is 36 because this is the lowest multiple. So lowest multiple is showing as least common multiple LCM. ओके, तो लोवेस्ट जो हमारा मल्टीपल होता है टू नंबर्स का, वही हमारा लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल LCM कहा जाता है. ओके, नाउ मूव एग्जाम्पल. फाइंडिंग LCM बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. एग्जाम्पल, by prime factorization method and by division method. There is also two method for LCM. Find the LCM of 36 and 64. Here 36 and 64, just make the factors as it is we do in HCF. Then after, here see, prime factors of 36, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and prime factors of 64, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 6 times 2. Okay, so here in the prime factor of 36, 2 times 2 and 2 times 3, and here 6 times 2. So for the LCM you have to write maximum number of times whichever factor is come. So here 6 times 2 and here 2 times come. These 2 times of factors of 36 already available in this 6 times 2. तो यहाँ पे जो हमारा 2 है ये हमारा कॉमन है. 2 times 2 जो 36 का था वो ऑलरेडी हमारा 64 में इंक्लूडेड माना जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हम इस 2 times 2 को ना लिख के जो हमारा मैक्सिमम टाइम्स दिया होगा उस मैक्सिमम टाइम्स 2 को यहाँ पे हमने राइट डाउन किया है. देन आफ्टर अगेन दिस इज द ओनली 3 into 3, सो राइट दिस होल फैक्टर. ओके, देन आफ्टर multiply and you got 576 as a answer. Okay, now finding LCM by division method. Finding LCM by division method, this is the simplest method which you have to do in your exercises. Find the prime factors of 36 and 48 by dividing prime till you get 1. So just dividing both number, okay, collectively, if till the you get 1. तो जब तक आपको 1 नहीं मिल जाता है तब तक आप इसको डिवाइड करते जाएंगे. एंड इफ़ यू गेट 1 देन स्टॉप द प्रोसेस. मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द प्राइम फैक्टर्स टू गेट द LCM. सो देन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाई द ऑल दीज फैक्टर्स. इफ़ यू एंड मल्टीप्लाई you got 144 as the LCM of 36 and 48. Okay, now move exercise. Find LCM by prime factorization method, because here says to make LCM by prime factorization method, so you have to do the LCM by prime factorization method, but there is not mentioned in any process. Then you do whichever method you like. Okay, so here find LCM by prime factorization method. So here we do prime factorization method for question number 1 of 150 and 60. Make LCM of 50 and 60. Just make the factor as the prime factors to 25, 5, 5. Yep. Then after 60, so 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 5 ja, yep, sorry, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja 10. So 2 15 into 2 30. Then after 3 5 ja 15 and 5 1 ja 5. So write here the factor of 50 and 60 as 2 into 5 into 5 and 60 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now write the LCM whichever factor is maximum, that is here 2 and here 1. So which factor we write? Here we write which have maximum number of factors here, because 2, this single 2 is already involved in this 2 times 2. Okay, now here 1 times 5 and here 2 times 5. So here we write these 2 times 5. Okay, now which one is left? That is 3. So multiply it also. Then after 2 2 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25, and 3. Okay, so 25 4 ja 100 and into 3 is equal to 300 is the LCM. Okay, now here question number F, 112, 168, 266. Okay, just make factors. 112, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, then 2 2 ja 4, okay, then 2 8 ja 16, 14, 17, sorry 2 7 ja 14, then after 7 1 ja 7. Okay, here 168, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7, then 266, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, then 133 here given. So just check any other number if 3 can exactly divide it or not. So not. Then after 5 not 4 not 6 7, 7 1 ja 7, and you got 19, 7 9 ja 63, then 19 1 ja 9 because it's prime. Now 112, 168, 266, right here as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 into 7, then 3 times 2, 3 into 7, then after 2 into 7 into 19. Just see the common factors. These are the common factor here. Then after here 7. Okay, so these are common. So just make here as a LCM of maximum times of factors, that is have in 112 4 times 2, so write as 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, because these two already involves in it, and here 3 times 2 it's already involved in it. Okay, so 4 times 2 हो गया, then after 1 times 7 already, so write 7, all 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 7 into 19, and at last here 3 also, so write here 3. Okay, now 16 into 7, 19 into 3, 9 3 ja 27, 3 1 ja 3 2 5. If you multiply it, you got 6384 as a LCM of answer. Move to the next. Find LCM by division method. Now division method here, so just write collectively 36 and 48 in one group, then after 36 can be divided by 2 exactly in 18 times, then 48 also, so 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, then 18 24 both can be divided by 2, so write here 2 9 ja 18, and here 12 2 ja 24. Then after 9 can't exactly divided by 2, so just write 9 as it is here, because 12 can be exactly divided by 2, so write here 2 and here 6. Okay, just write in ascending order. जब तक आपका 2 से डिवाइड हो रहा है कोई नंबर, तब तक आप 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करते जाएंगे, एंड इफ़ नॉट देन मूव टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. ओके, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, now here 9 and 3 both are odd number, so both can be divisible by another number, that is 3. 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3. Now here we found 1, so write here 1 as it is, but here 3, so divide it and you got 1. If you got for all number as a 1 at last, then stop the process. Now write the LCM to multiplying these all factor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 times 2 into 3 into 3. So what is the LCM? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 into 9, 6 9 ja 44, 54. Then after 9 1 ja 9 plus 5, 40. 16 9 ja 144. That is the answer. Now here 120, 144, 180. Okay. Just make the factors. 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, then 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. Then after again it can be divisible by 2 15 times, 18 times, neither any time, so write as 45. Here now 18 can be divisible by 2, so write 2 9 ja 18, but 15 not and 45 also not, so write as it is that number. This is 2, sorry, it's not clear, so I clear it. Okay, so 3, now 3 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9, and 15 3 ja 45. Then also again 3 5 as it is, right, because 3 can't exactly divide to 5. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, and at last 5 1 ja 5, 1 and in all. Now write the factors. Multiplication 4 times 2, 2 times 3, 1 time 5, 16, 9, 5. 16 9 ja 144 na, which I already show you. So here into 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20 plus 2, 22, 5 1 ja 5 plus 2, 7. 720 is the LCM. Okay. Worksheet I send you as a PDF.